Welcome back to the Blueprint to Success. In today's video, we will go through the top 5 self-improvement books of 2023. Reading is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-improvement. Within the pages of inspirational books, we can find valuable insights, practical strategies, and life-changing wisdom. Number 1. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits is a groundbreaking book that delves into the power of small habits and their compounding effects on personal growth. This book is a must-read for anyone seeking to achieve lasting self-improvement and create a life of excellence. Number 2. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. A timeless classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People, has empowered millions to enhance their communication skills and build meaningful relationships. With valuable lessons on social influence and persuasion, this book is an essential guide for improving personal and professional relationships. Number 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki challenges conventional wisdom about money and financial success. This book encourages readers to rethink their approach to money, investing, and financial education, making it a powerful resource for those seeking financial freedom. Number 4. The Way of the Superior Man by David Deida. The Way of the Superior Man is a guidebook for men seeking a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. This book offers profound insights for men on understanding their core purpose and how to thrive in relationships with integrity and vitality. Number 5. 100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. 100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi is a revolutionary business book that challenges traditional business models and offers a fresh perspective on entrepreneurship. The book focuses on crafting irresistible offers that resonate with customers and drive exponential growth. It provides valuable strategies for aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners to disrupt industries and achieve unparalleled success. These books offer transformative insights and practical advice to help you reach your fullest potential. By embracing the wisdom found within these books, you can embark on a path of self-improvement, empowerment, and lasting transformation. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video.